Thank you for requesting Hitthequan, and it was made by Shot. Whenever you do his dance, make sure to tag him on TikTok, Instagram, or wherever. We're going to get right into it, but before we do that, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, all right? Because you're going to make me very happy, all right? Let's get started. All right, we start out with, I think we got a winner. So what I do, I have two V's, because my name is Vincent Vianen, and I put them together to make a W, like a winner. Yeah, he does like a West Side sign. I just do my own little thing. You can do whatever you want, but you have, I think we got a winner. So this part, you could actually do the way you want to do it. You can go like, I think we got a winner, because that's what I do. I just bounce 2 times, and then a winner, I just show my fingers, yeah? So when we have, I think we got a winner, you're going to elbow, elbow. But this move has more like a lightness to it, yeah? You can do it heavy if you want to, but you step on left, step on right, step on left, step on right. You just do it 2 times, but I want you to get the feel of it. Elbow, elbow, yeah? Left, right, hit that whoa. So this is a TikTok whoa, how I call it, because, you know, the original whoa has a different vibe to it. So what you're going to do, you're going to put your arm down and pull. So this pull is pretty quick because after the whoa, boom, boom, you're going to tap on your hand 2 times. So when we have boom, boom, whoa, ta, ta. So it's actually left leg, right leg. And when that left leg hits again, you have a whoa. So you have 1, 2, boom. Yeah, and your hand goes back. It's, for me, it feels like you're pulling something down and pulling something up. It's like a karate move. Yeah, and you don't have a lot of time to make it very shocky if you can't do it, because this comes very quick. Yeah, so when we have, I think we got a winner, boom, boom, hit, bam, bam. Yes, let's do it again. I think we got a winner. Boom, boom, whoa, ba, ba. So it's just like when you play rock, paper, scissors, or whatever. Yeah, you just tap your hand 2 times. Yeah, so you have whoa, ba, ba, whoa, ba, ba, whoa, ba, ba. Slower. Whoa, ba, ba, whoa, ba, ba. All right, so when we have this step, step, whoa, pop, pop. I don't know the lyrics perfectly, but it kind of sounds like it, all right? So when we have, I think we got a winner, boom, boom, whoa, pop, pop. Yeah, so this, you can do it as aggressive if you want to. You can just do it real small if you want to. So you have whoa, pop, pop, boom, pop, pop. And be careful that you don't make it too small. Make it big, big, pam, pam. So you, and pull, yeah? Pull here, pull there, pull, and your shoulder goes back. Pull, pop, pop, all right? So I'm gonna count it in this time. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. I think we got a winner. Boom, boom, whoa, pop, pop. After that pop, pop, you're going to, actually pretty much it's like the beginning, but you can make it a little bigger. That's what I do. I step left, left, yeah, left to the left, left, right, like you're pushing something away, yeah, away, away. You can make this small if you want to, you can make it big, depends on what your vibe is, yes? So you have left, right, and left, right, left. So this left, right, left, you can make it as big as you want to, because I go like this. So you step on your left and then step back. So it's pretty much stepping back and to the front again. Yeah, so don't worry about left, right, left, or something like that, yeah? Left and here. You're like, nah, yeah? So give it that attitude, just don't do that. It's just like, nah, yeah? So when we've had boom, boom, whoa, ta, ta, left, right, na, ka, ka, yeah? Na, and here, yeah? Boom, ba. So let's do it again. Let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. I think we got a winner. Boom, boom, whoa, ta, ta, step, step, ba, ha. Yeah, from here, when you push down, we're gonna go left. So your arms are gonna roll. yeah? Roll to the left. You're going to go left, boom. I actually don't like to lift my leg, but I'm gonna do it because he does it here, boom. But I go actually left, right, because I go left, right, right, left. But let's just go here, huh? And then step back. So you go to the left, lift your leg, right here. So when you do this, you rotate your arms, right? So when you rotate your arms, you can actually put an extra groove with your body to it. And it's pretty much rolling your torso. Yeah, I have a tutorial on moving your chest, practicing this isolation. Make sure to check it out. But for sure, try to move your body. If you can't, just roll with your arms, yeah? So you go left, boom. To the left, here. Roll here and ha, ha. Because here you also do that, right? So get used to moving your chest. So when we've had here, here, back, back. So you step to the left and right. To the left, hey, right. To the left, boom, right. And that's how you get that fiber. Or else you're just gonna get this, which is pretty boring, right? So we got to the left, pa, right, boom. To the left, right. All right? So when we've had this elbow, elbow, whoa, pa, pa, ha, ha, back, ha, left to the right. All right, let's do it one more time from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. I think we got a winner. Boom, boom, tap it up, ta, ta. Now from it, ha, ha, boom, boom. Yeah, so whoop, pa, back up. So when we've had ta, ta, back it up. You know what? Let's just do it one more time together. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think we got a winner. Boom, boom, dap it up. Shoop, shoop, ha, ha, boom, pa, ta, ta. Yeah, so from here, pa, pa. And this feels like your chest getting pretty much punched in. And it moves at the same time as your arm goes down, your fist goes down, yeah? So when we've had boom, pa, 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 ha, ha, shoo. So you tap your shoulder, go across your body, and wipe it off. So left, right, here. And it's pretty much a swing to it, here, here, pa. It's almost like that ahi challenge, pa, ha, ha, pa, pa, shoo, pa, pa, ha, boom, boom. And let me check the timing for this. Zoop, pa, 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 ha, ha, boom, boom, chi, chi, shoop, pa, pa, ta, ta, whoop, pa, pa, pop it up, cha, cha, si, si, ha, shoop, shoop, su, su, whoop, pa. And this move right here, you can make it as smooth as you want. You can also go whoop, wipe it away, pa, pa, ha, or you can just go, pa, pa. Yeah, so add a little bit of your own taste to it, yes? So we've had whoom, pa, back it up, shoo, shoo, whoop, bum on it, yeah? So this might be a bit of a challenge. So when we've had sa, sa, ha, boom, boom. So this is pretty much just wiping something off your hand. It's not pretty complicated, right? So here, you're going to punch, punch. So you're gonna punch, jump, pull, punch, jump, pull. Boom, boom, ha, boom, boom, ha. Boom, boom, ha. Boom, boom, ha. Boom, boom, ha. And then we're going to get in this. So this whole bounce is going to help you out, right? So you have boom, boom, yeah? Boom, boom, ha. And then keep it moving, all right? Punch, punch, ah, ha, ha. So this is like a walk on your spot. Yeah, so you step right, left, right, and that last one has a bit of it goes slower, yeah? Right, left, slow it down, and then we're going to get into that dice roll, yes? So we've had whoom, pa, back it up, shoo, shoo, ha, bum on it, boom, boom, ha, boom, boom. I think I lost you there, right? All right, so let's just do it again, but we're gonna go slow. You're gonna go whoop, pa, back, ha, ha, su, sum, boom, boom, ha, whoop, whoop, ha. Yeah, so when we've had here, pa, su, ha, way, boom, boom, ha, pa, yes? It's like a slow walk. All right, so when we've had this, you go into this, wipe, pa, boom, boom, ha. Yeah, you pull, and this pull pulls down, and this instigates your walk. Whoop, whoop, pa. So this, you can lean back, you can lean a bit to the front. If you want, you can lean a bit to the side, as long as you let it a little bit loose, yeah? Boom, boom, ha. And then when you put your right leg down, you're ready to go left, right, yeah? Roll and clap, yeah? Boom and clap. And this, you can clap like this, clap like that, clap like this, just decide. As long as you clap, all right? So let's go from the beginning very slow, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. I think we got a winner. Boom, boom, dap it up. Shoom, shoom, now from it. Whom, ha, da, ha, city, ha, bum on it. Boom, 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 ka, shoom, dice and clap. Yeah, dice and clap. And this you can go slow and clap. So and clap. So and clap. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. I think we got a winner. Boom, boom, dap it up. Shoom, shoom, now from it. Shoom, boom, da da da. Su su whoop, bum on it. Boom, boom, ha, ri, ra, ha, kira, and clap. We're almost there. So when you had the dice roll and clap. Well, let me just also give a few tips for the dice roll. When you have that walk, right? Here. Slow, your feet are on the floor. You're gonna go left, right. So you're pretty much taking a step to the front, yeah? But the fancy way is, yeah, left, right, and clap. So you can see I'm pretty much on my spot here. I put one back and one to the front. This causes me not to go much to the front if I don't have space, yeah? So you just pretty much do this on your spot instead of really going to the front, yes? So you have whoop, whoop, and clap, yeah? Or just clap. So when we've had that, clap, you're going to step, put your foot to the right, here, and you nod. You can hold your pants here, in the back, whatever you want, yeah? As long as you, right, and you're gonna go front and, yeah? Front, left, front, left, front, left, front, left, and you're going to, it's almost like you want to touch your stomach, but you're evading it, yeah? You push it away, yeah? And then you stand sideways, all right? So let's say we have here and boom, boom, ah, mwah, mwah. I'm not gonna explain this, yeah? So when you have here, front, left, ah, this jump, it's so funny. So you're going to make 2 hops, yeah? And your hip is gonna go to the back. So it's pretty much like you have something here and you wanna push it away, but you're doing that on your spot, yeah? It's going to help you if you know how to do a body roll, because when you do this, it is fast, kind of fast. Not too fast, but it's fast to really do a body roll because it goes pop, pop. Yeah, so make sure you just hop, hop. I imagine it to have a tail on my back, and it has to go up, yeah? So bam, bam. And it's going to help you if you don't do it too heavy, yeah, for your legs. All right, so when we've had boom and whoop, whoop, ah, wah, wah. 2 hops, yeah? Don't be too straight. Have your legs bent, and you're going to go whop, whop, yeah? Whop, whop. And then you're going to hit this different TikTok wall, yeah? Boom, shoo, yeah? So you have whop, whop, boom. And this, when you do here, you could just turn your body a little bit more to the front or just hit that wall. So let me explain this. I imagine that there's something in my shoulder and I pull it back, yeah? But you can do this here or have your hand here. You can decide. I like that people just make their own version of it. So shoulder to the front, pull, yeah? Boom, pull, hit the QUAN, and that's how you're going to get the last move, but that's pretty much your own thing. So when you have wah, wah, boom, hit the QUAN, hit the QUAN. Yes, so there's this move that's called Hitthequan. Look it up. It's there's a actually original move to it, but this dance is Shot's own creation. So let's pick it up from. Let's go from this part. Yes, so we've had boom and wah wah boom, wah wah boom. Hit the QUAN. So that hit, you don't have to do it. I like to doing it because Shot does something like here, punch, punch, clap, and then he's done. So I like that you can just do your own thing. So after this, I'm going to teach you what I do. Here, I go pretty much with my hip, I go to the front. But the song is already ended, so that's pretty much what I do. I just do my own dance, yeah? So just do your own thing. So after the hit that, mwah, mwah, boom, hit the QUAN. Just do your own dance. Yes? All right. Let's do it from the beginning, slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. I think we got a winner. Boom, boom, dap it up. Shoop, shoop. Now from mid, shoom, pa, boom, pa, diddy, ha, bum on it, boom, boom, boom. Ha, ha, slow and ha, and clap, boom, and front, left, ha, mwah, mwah, boom, hit the QUAN, hit the QUAN, boom. All right, so if you didn't get it, just repeat this part, and we're going to do it with the music now. Take your time. There's in the description a video link, click it. Practice as much as you like. First, we're going to go slow, then we're going to speed it up. So drink enough water. I'll see you next time.